Okay, this is my scene. It's quite dark. What I'll do, I'm going to create the target direct light. With the target direct light, you will get the target. With the free direct light, you won't get the target. Otherwise, it's exactly the same. It's like the target spotlight and the free spotlight. Okay, if you're not sure, check it out. Okay, I create the light. Now my hot beam is quite small. The way to control the hot beam is under the modifier, select the light, under the modifier, directional parameter, increase the hot beam. I'm going to adjust the light. Again. Let's render the scene and check it out. Okay, now you can see, but it's not updating in my viewport. That's fine, but once you render you can see. What I can do, I can assign the fall off, near and far attenuation, activate the near and far attenuation. With the target direct light, you can mimic the like a big, you can link the big light source coming from the one direction. It's always target direct used for to mimic the sunlight or moonlight. This way is going to start, this way is going to end, and fall off. Okay, that's pretty good. And you can assign the shadows. I'm going to assign the metal ray shadow map because I don't have any transparency object to use the ray trace shadows. It's the basic shadow map. It's pretty good. Then render your scene. Check it out. Okay, that's really great. The next thing what I'll do, I'll introduce you guys the photometric light. My scene is getting a bit busy. We've been working on the standard light. Let's create the photometric light. I'm going to create the target light. I can put it over here. With the photometric light, let's have a look at the settings. You can assign the shadows and the light distribution type. We're going to talk about the photometric web a little bit later on. And you can change the spotlight to the distribution type. Uniform diffuse. And I'm going to the sphere shape again. And to control the color, there are some templates available for you to use, and the Kelvin also deal with that color. If you put the higher number, it will go to the bluish color. If you decrease the lowest number, which is 1000, you go to the reddish color, and you can filter this color from here. And intensity, that's where it is be controlled. Check it up. Okay, this take a with this one, the first one, you need to put this slider down to get it down. The if I put it to 100, 1000. Okay, you can see the light is being dim. The candle, it's do the similar thing. And this one, Luxat, it's create the sphere shape with you will be able to see where it's going to lit up. Then I should be shown. Okay, okay, there are some default light types available. This is a 40 volt globe available. This 100. There are a few different type of lights. There are another cool thing that you can do. You can get the what is called IES light settings. Which is IES light is produced by the light distributors and make it available for 3D Max users to utilize. To get those IES light, it's freely available on the web. Okay, check it up. Put it in the Google IES light. See the lights distribution type. What I'll do, I'm going to put it under the photometric web, which is over here. Okay, photometric web. First create the. Let me first create the free light, photometric free light. Then I'll turn this one into the IES light. Then light distribution type, what I'll do, photometric web. Choose file. I have downloaded the 30 photometric lights. I have put it in the wide drive for you guys to test it out. Under the desktop, I have light test. IES. Okay. It's really cool. It's create this kind of light pattern. And also the settings are exactly the same. How you can control the light and stuff. So color. Let me to create the one more light. Free light. I'll change this one to something else. Let me to find the choose the photometric file. Let's get this kind of light. It's pretty cool, guys. That's how you can create the IES light. I forgot one more thing. Let me to create the how to project the image through the light. Let's see if you have some kind of this kind of image. Let's see how we can project that image through the light. What I am trying to do, I'm going to mimic the big light source coming through the trees and cast the shadows on the wall. I'm going to create the target light. create the target direct line. Then I'm going to control the hot beam directional parameter. This way you can control the hot beam with the fall off. Then if you go to the advanced effect, which is over here, advanced effect, and project map, take this one, and I'm going to map the image, which is the branch. Can't see anything happening here until you render this one. See, now we can see the shadow. You can mimic the light is coming through the tree and then cast the shadows on the wall. You can fake that effect. In here we got the tube light. If you're wondering how you can create the glow effect on this object, what I'll do, I press the M key. First I'll create the glow material. And I'm going to get the yellowish color. Then what I'll do, I'm going to activate the self illumination with this material. Then I'm going to click the diffuse color and drag it and drop onto the self illumination color source. Copy. Now you can see it is being self illuminated. I'm going to right click, assign material to selection, render the scene. Check it out. It's not quite there. What I should do, I can apply the glow effect to make it self-illuminated. First, to apply the glow effect, I'm going to select the object and right click, object property. I need to assign the object ID. I'm going to assign object ID 1. Then under the rendering environment, effect, I'm going to create another glow effect. We already got the lens effect, glow effect. Over here I'm going to drag another glow effect to this side, this one. Okay. As soon as I do it, it's updating because I have take the interactive. What I'll do in here, go to the glow element option. I'm going to assign the in here image source. I'm going to assign, we have given the object ID as a number 1. Okay, take this one and whatever the object ID that you have given, put it in there. I have given number 1 object ID. Now what you should do, go to the parameter and see, I can see the glow happening here, but it's too big. What I'll do, reduce down number 1. Let's see, maybe 0.05. Now you can see I'm happy with that. You can create the intensity. What I'll do, because this is glowing by white, I want to glow with the material that I have created, that yellowish material. If I put this one to the 100, it's going to glow it with the material that I have created, that yellowish material. Okay, that's I think that's conclude the lighting. Okay. Check it up. There are a lot of tutorials available on the web, and you can find some more tips and tricks to light up your scenes. Okay, thanks guys.